Hey, what's going on, guys? So today I'm installing another part for my Tacoma. So this is a 2023 Tacoma, and what we're looking at here is the tailpipe. So eventually I'd love to get a catback exhaust or do some kind of exhaust work. I do like a little bit of grumble. I think that's nice, but the truck is brand new, so I'm keeping it simple, and I'm just putting on an exhaust tip. All right, so the original, exhaust here, to me it just looks a little bit unfinished. That's it, just kind of, the sharp pipe. Not a huge deal, but I think it's going to look a lot better with this black Toyota tip. So this is an OEM part. This does come on certain models, and it's going to bolt on really simple. There's just a clamp and a bolt. There's these little coupler spacers for the back to make sure everything's nice and tight. I believe it's a 15 mil, so this should be really straightforward. So I'll be back and we'll see how it looks. All right, so here's a little shot underneath, give you a better idea of the exhaust. Outside of a catback, it would be kind of cool to cut off the exhaust right over the axle, so you have a little bit of a downpipe, so you have more clearance if you want to do some off-roading and stuff. But anyway, this is really simple. Literally just slid it on. You see how this kind of bulged out a little bit wider here? You want to go past that so you have room to put on these little pieces. All right, so both of these are going to get tucked up under here. Okay, with the little lip being exposed. And the other one goes on top. And it's a little hard when you're filming this, at least without a tripod, like I am right now. But that's pretty much it. These are going to get straightened out and bolted down. Now it just depends on where you want it. It can come out further. You can go in deeper, I'll have to find out the right spot, and we'll take a look at it once I tighten it up. All right, that was it. That was really, really simple. All right, so I ended up putting this as far out as it would go before those couplers would actually reach where it gets a little bit wider. So it might be hard to tell, but this is kind of in line with the edge of the tire, but a little bit short of this mud guard here. But what's kind of nice is that this has a drainage hole. All right, let that focus on the pipe. So there's a little drainage hole there, so when you have condensation, all that liquid that might come out of the end of the tailpipe, it's not going to sit inside this rolled lip. It's actually going to drain out, so it won't rust out on you. So obviously you want the Toyota logo up. I suppose, I wouldn't put it backwards because there's a little bit of a slant on it as well, but I like it. It just kind of gives it a cleaner look. I like the black. Who doesn't like black stuff, right, on vehicles? But yeah, a little bit of an upgrade. You can get tailpipe tips for like $25 to $40 all day long. This actual OEM one was more like $60 to $80. I think I spent around $75 with shipping, but I think it's totally worth it. All right, so if you have a Tacoma and you don't like the unfinished look of the tailpipe, you got 80 bucks to spend. This might be a cool thing to throw on. They also make this in polished chrome. So if you're going for the whole, chrome thing, if you got chrome rims or something, that might look nice. So there you go. That is the finished product here. Again, let's take a look underneath. All right, it's all snug down and good to go. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.